What's up? Happy Sunday. It's January 5th. I've been studying all day, so I'm bored. My mind is melted. A lot of GI emergency stuff, but that's not important. Y'all don't watch this for me to sit here and complain about class. Jim has treated me very nice lately. Very lovely, very beautiful. I've been looking good. Definitely very positive. Today is Sunday, like I already mentioned, so we're gonna go out and deadlift. This will be the first episode of a small little deadlift mini series. It's probably gonna be a deadlift mini series until I get to Alaska, and I don't know. Hopefully they let me record in the gym. Let's see. What do I have to say? I need to do core. I need to do core a lot more often. I'm a little self-conscious about my abs. Other than that, everything's looking great. It's 70 degrees out right now, and because of all the, I don't know if YouTube's gonna be upset, but terrorist attacks in the United States at the current moment, we are required to wear uniform. So I won't be wearing any gym attire. I will be wearing my Air Force PT gear. Not that I represent all of the Air Force. I only represent myself. Anyways, what else do I have to say? Well, nothing, I guess. Winter break is over. Back to class. Again, I know I said that y'all probably don't care about what goes on in class for me, but we came back to class on Friday, and we have a test on Tuesday, which is not a good sign for everyone, I believe. Just because there's so much that we have to cram in all at once. So we're doing like cardiovascular, GI, toxicology, pharmacology, gynecological, emergencies. There's one more in there. I know I'm missing one. I don't remember what it is though. But we have to cram all of that into basically a week's worth of time for learning, then take a test on it. But we've had a 2-week break, and guarantee you most of our class did not study. So we'll see how that goes. Other than that, I'm ready to go lift, so I'll see you outside. I gotta say, I hate doing reps for this. It's kind of BS, I'm not gonna lie. I'm tired. I'm fat. I'm slow. I feel like a powerlifter. Out of breath for my first 2 sets. Bright as hell. with a nice little powerlifting break. I don't think I've seriously deadlifted since I started working out. I got 405 once. That was it. So hopefully in the up and coming weeks we can hit that again. But behind me right now we have 365, I believe. It's lightweight, baby. We got that. Only one rep though, that's for sure. Shout out to my girlfriend for the belt. So we're gonna need it. Got a little nervous, a little lift shy. Sometimes it happens. It takes a moment to get that confidence back up. Sometimes you just gotta do it. That's the end of deadlifting. Alright, that was it. I don't know, felt really good. It's nice to get back into it. The funny thing about deadlifting is that you're just not going to be good at it unless you consistently do it. So, hands are a little weak. Can't really hold the bar as well, but pulled 365 today. So, getting back up there. Yeah. Other than that, I'm going to end it today. It's going to be a short outro. Nothing exciting. I'm going to clean up my room, do some laundry, make my bed, and go to dinner. So I'll catch you on the next one. Hope everyone's lifting's going great. I hope everyone's feeling positive about themselves, and I hope your weights are going up. I hope you're lifting heavy. So have a good one. Happy Sunday.